Toronto home sales jumped in October. Apparently, those interest rate cuts by the Bank of Canada are luring buyers off the sidelines. We also saw prices go up for the first time since July. We're joined by Bloomberg's real estate reporter, Ari Altstedter. Thanks very much for coming on the show, Ari. Give us the latest, summarize the latest numbers, if you would, from Toronto.
Well, as you say, it was a fairly large jump in home sales, both month over month and year over year. Between September and October, sales went up 14%, which is the largest jump in a while. That came as new listings fell. And that sort of shifting balance between supply and demand did see prices firm up. It was a very small increase to the benchmark home price month over month in Toronto, but it was an increase, 0.1%, which reverses decline the previous month, and it was flat the month before that. So it is some sign of renewed momentum, or at least stopped declines in home prices as buyers start to come back.
Any breakdown on the condo market, Ari? We have heard, of course, about a lot of anxious sellers, listings jumping for condos in Toronto.
Right. Well, the condo market has been an area of weakness for some time. And, you know, most of the people on the ground who I've been talking to are saying that it's the ground-based housing, the detached, the semi-detached townhomes that are sort of leading this recovery and are seeing the most interest. Condos, there's been a lot of units hitting the market. A lot of units have been completing around Toronto this year, which obviously frustrates that improving supply-demand imbalance that's kind of helping out the rest of the market. So condos remain a point of weakness, but obviously, at least in Toronto, it's not enough to drag down the market more generally, where there were some signs of improvement last month, largely due to the rate cuts.
Sorry, Ari. TREB, the industry trade group, notes that new listings dropped nearly 7% in October. So people aren't rushing to sell, it sounds like.
Well, last month they did see that drop, but you have to remember that this comes after about a year when we've seen listings generally building on the market. October, the total number of listings that were still active on the market, you know, houses for sale, was 25% higher than the same month last year. So there has been a real buildup in inventory, even if the pace of new supply coming to market slowed last month. There still were new houses coming online, coming up for sale, that is, and that is expected to make any further price increases we see more muted, probably slower, as buyers come and have more selection and perhaps take a longer time to soak up this excess supply.
Ari, thank you very much indeed. Ari Altstedter.